Have you ever felt like manifestation just doesn't work for you? You've read the books, tried the tricks, but nothing seems to happen? I've been there. I've read over 500 books on manifestation, and while they were full of methods and science, none of them worked for me. It was frustrating. I kept wondering, what am I doing wrong? Then, one day, I stumbled upon something that changed everything. A method I customized just for me. It's simple, effective, and backed by science. Today, I'm going to share this method with you. I wasn't planning to, but after helping a friend manifest a text using this exact trick and hearing her incredible story, I knew I had to make this video. Manifestation equals science plus emotion plus visualization. Before we dive in, here are 2 things you need to know. The core truths from those 500 books that every manifestation method is built on. 1. Emotions create your reality. They make experiences good, bad, or extraordinary. 2. Visualization is the key. The more vividly you can imagine touching objects and feeling experiences, the more likely they are to manifest. Now, let's begin. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. If you can't do this now, save this video and try it before you sleep. Ready? Let's start. Step 1. The picture. Take out your phone or find a picture of your specific person on social media. Study it carefully. Memorize every detail. For example, let's say you see a picture with trees in the background. The person is wearing a white shirt, a locket, white shoes. Their hair is short. The sun is setting, a full golden circle. Visualize all these details vividly. Step 2. The breath. Close your eyes now. Sit or lie down comfortably. Let's quiet your mind with a simple breathing exercise. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Pause. Feel the calm it brings. Let's do this 2 more times. Step 3. The visualization. Now, imagine a white light between your eyebrows, like a portal. Focus on it. Slowly, let the image of that picture you memorized emerge. It's as if you're stepping through the portal into that scene. Picture yourself there, a little away from your specific person. Look down at your hands to ground yourself in this visualization. Then, look up and see them. Observe the surroundings, the trees, the sunlight, the air on your skin. Start walking toward them. They notice you and smile. As you reach them, imagine them saying, "Hey, when did you get here? I was just about to take a picture." Respond, "I needed to come to tell you something." When they ask, "What?" lean in gently and whisper, "You wanted to text me. I'm here to remind you." Watch their reaction. They light up and say, "Oh my God, yes. Let me do it right now." See them open their phone, search for your name, and type, "Hey." Imagine your phone lighting up with the notification. Smile, and as they take their picture, step back, filled with joy. Walk away, back toward the white light, and return to your present self. Step 4. Let it go. Now, open your eyes. Let it go. Trust the process. You don't need to obsess over the outcome. Manifestation works best when you release attachment. I hope this method brings you the same magic it's brought me and others. Remember, manifestation is more than just a wish. It's a connection between your emotions, imagination, and reality. If this worked for you, share your experience in the comments. And if you're trying it for the first time, save this video and come back to it anytime. Let's create a community of manifestors who inspire each other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more psychology-backed tricks and insights. Until next time, keep manifesting miracles. You're more powerful than you think. Your imagination is the preview of life's coming attractions. Albert Einstein.